Monsoon is a lovely season, but it comes with lots of challenges for people like me who love to do outdoor gardening on terrace or balcony. Excessive rainfall, moisture, and stagnant water on pots can drain out essential nutrients from the soil, leaving our outdoor plants hungry for nourishment. To combat this problem, I use Farmon's fertilizer sticks. This box comes with a manual where details are written on how to use these sticks. This is a box of 100 sticks, and these are very easy to use and it requires minimal maintenance compared to other commonly used liquid or granular fertilizers. I generally use two sticks for big pots and one stick for small pots. While inserting these, I just make sure that they are deep enough to avoid washing away during heavy rainfall. I repeat inserting these sticks every month because these sticks are good to go for 30 to 45 days. These plant food sticks have all required nutrients for all kinds of outdoor or indoor plants, and these nutrients are slowly released in the soil over a period of 45 days. This box contains 100 sticks, and I bought this box from Amazon 6 months back at around 350 rupees, and this has been a game changer in my gardening routine. So I'll try to link this product in the description box of this video so that you can pick it from there. You can use this for outdoor plants and indoor plants also. To watch these kinds of Amazon product reviews, home decor, and DIY ideas every Sunday, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of my new videos every week. See you again in my next video next week. Till then, have a very happy week ahead and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.